When gardens fail, we blame the weather or soil, but the real secret is in what we throw away. Your dustbin is a treasure chest. Kitchen scraps, cardboard, and old clothes can transform your garden. Nature recycles everything, nourishing the soil. Mimic this, and you'll create abundance from almost nothing. The foundation of any garden is healthy soil, and you can build it using cardboard. Sheet mulching is simple. Lay flattened cardboard over weedy ground. Remove any tape and cover with compost or grass clippings. The cardboard smothers weeds and slowly breaks down, adding carbon and attracting earthworms. Worms tunnel and aerate the soil, creating a rich, crumbly texture. Newspaper works similarly. Spread it thickly around plants to suppress weeds and retain moisture. Both materials decompose, feeding soil life and improving structure. This method costs nothing and diverts waste from landfill. Instead of fighting weeds or buying soil improver, you're creating fertile ground with what you have. In a season, hard ground can become a dark, workable bed teeming with life. It's a quiet magic, but the results are astonishing. This is the most satisfying way to start a new garden. Spring weather is unpredictable, but your waste can protect young plants. Cut the bottom off a plastic bottle to make a cloche, an instant mini greenhouse for seedlings. Unscrew the cap for ventilation on warm days. Glass jars work for smaller seedlings, shielding them from slugs and snails. Old buckets, tubs, or even broken laundry baskets make excellent planters. Just add drainage holes. A broken terracotta pot can be half buried as a deep watering reservoir for thirsty plants. These recycled containers often outperform new ones, holding more soil and moisture. Old tires stacked up make deep beds for potatoes. Add more as the plants grow. With a little creativity, your waste becomes the best support for your garden. Resourceful, effective, and free. Forget chemical fertilizers. Your kitchen scraps are a superior, gentle source of plant food. Coffee grounds add nitrogen to compost. Mix with cardboard or dry leaves for balance. Eggshells provide calcium. Bake, grind, and add to planting holes for tomatoes and peppers. Banana peels, rich in potassium, can be buried near roses or fruit bushes. Old cotton or wool clothes laid between rows suppress weeds and conserve moisture, decomposing into the soil. Wood ash from untreated wood adds potassium and raises pH. Use sparingly, avoiding acid-loving plants. Crushed charcoal from bonfires improves soil structure and water retention. All these materials feed your garden for free, turning waste into nourishment. With a little care, your leftovers become the best fertilizer. It's sustainable, simple, and effective. The real magic happens when you combine these ideas. Start a bed with cardboard, fill it with homemade compost, enrich with coffee grounds and eggshells, and protect seedlings with bottle cloches. Mulch with old cotton sheets and use buckets or tubs for depth. Suddenly, you've built a living system from scraps. This diversity creates a thriving soil food web, fungi, bacteria, and worms all working together. The result? Healthier, more resilient plants, less need for shop-bought products, and a more self-reliant gardener. Problems become opportunities for creativity, not shopping trips. You become more observant and resourceful, working in partnership with nature. See cardboard as a new bed, bottles as plant shields, and waste as opportunity. Start small, experiment, and watch your garden flourish. The secret to a great garden isn't what you spend, it's what you save.